Hi everyone, I'm Lisa. I'm an environmental educator at Aullwood, Audubon, and I have a quick and fun activity for you today. This activity is a craft project, and as well as being fun for you, it will also help protect birds. So, all you need is Elmer's glue. If you want, you can get food coloring. You could also use a little bit of soap, and you can use any cookie cutters. You could also use a bowl and a paintbrush if you'd like. You don't need to. And then you need some sort of plastic sheet. This is a thin plastic sheet. If you had something thicker, that might be better. But this is just a simple document cover. So what we're going to do is we are going to make a window cling. So a lot of birds get injured or die when they hit windows or glass doors. What happens is they see the reflection of the sky or of plants or even a reflection of themselves, and they don't realize it's a window, and they hit the window and they're either injured or die. So putting things on your window or putting up curtains or blinds can help prevent these bird collisions. So we're going to make a window cling that will not only decorate your window, but will also help birds. So with my star cookie cutter shape here, I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in with glue. And I'm just going to have a plain white star here. But again, if you used food coloring, you could make it pretty yellow or blue or any color you want. And I'm glad that I have this cookie cutter here because, as you know, glue is liquid, and so it just expands when you put it on this plastic. So my cookie cutter here is keeping it nice and tight within this frame, and it's not spilling all over my sheet here. So now what I'll do is I will just leave it overnight to dry. Once it's dry, I will peel it right off the plastic sheet, and then it's ready to go. I checked my window cling the very next day, and it was still wet. So I waited another day, and it looks like it has dried up now. So I'm going to go ahead and peel it off of my plastic. Comes right off. Now I just need to take off the star frame here. Let's do it carefully. It's coming out nicely, and there we go. We have some edges here I can trim off to make it look a little better. And now I will find a window, which I have right here, and I'll stick it on. And there is our star window cling that will help protect birds. I hope you've enjoyed this activity, and until I see you again, please be well.